Hey guys, yeah, this is the play buttons. We are always using these buttons on the slot machine, video slot machine. Like we sold a lot to customer in United States. So right now, let me make this measurements for you, okay? It's 2.48 inches. OK， 再量它的长。吓我一跳。OK， you see the names of this buttons here. You see is 弄字。Okay, wait a second. It's a 3.67 inches. Okay, so which means that the length of this one is a little long. Okay, these buttons you can put the labels inside of the buttons, and then as a play button or the bet buttons or the payout buttons. Okay, thank you.